Hello guys, Perpetual back with another unboxing video, and this time we got a very rare vintage kinetic. It's the Silver Mini Jupiter with the code 809 Swing Art Mini Jupiter. I do not know who this was made by, but I know for sure JS Collector has the exact same box, so it's very possible me and JS have owned the same kinetic now. This was on Etsy for $80, but on this Walgreens tag it was for $6.99, so that was funny. But anyways, let's just get into it. I'm very excited. Just need to find a way to open this, if there is a way. Okay, there it is. Okay, I guess it's already set up. Just don't know if there's a... Is there already a battery in this? Oh dear. It's been stuck in there. Look at how gross this is. I gotta empty that out. Oh my god. It's so dirty. Oh my god. That is so gross. But I got it out though. I'm just gonna move this aside. But look at this battery. Looks like it's been in there for years. Well, I guess the poles are already on. Now I just need to insert the battery and then we should be good to go. I might need to clean this up afterwards. Alright. This battery, it has been used. It's from my matte black swinging navy, which I'm getting rid of because I don't see the point of having it anymore. Okay, I got it in. I don't even want to look at that old rotting battery. And here it is. And now for the motion shot. It does work. That's good, but I need to loosen all of that up. Loosen the things up. Let me see. Wonder if I can. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to put some oil on this. Despite being old, I'm glad it does work. But that's gonna wrap it up for this unboxing video. I have more kinetics coming. If you want to stay tuned to the channel, subscribe for more, leave a like, and check out social media in the description. Bye bye!